Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can generate the AI images on Audiogram. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to go to the Chat GPT app and we have to write the prompt here. So now simply what I'm going to do, I have already created some prompts here. So I'm going to copy that. So as you can see, I have created this prompt. So I'm going to copy this. You can create the thumbnails or pictures, whatever you want. Now simply we have to go to the Audiogram. And after going to the Audiogram, as you can see, now the Audiogram will be opened. Now simply we have to click on this plus icon, and after clicking on this plus icon, we have to paste this prompt here, and then simply we have to click on the generate. And after clicking on the generate, we have to wait for a few seconds, and after waiting for few seconds, the image will be generated. So we have to wait for a few seconds. So as you can see, as per our prompt, now the image is created here. Now simply if you want to download this, we have to click on these three dots, and then we have to click on the download, and then we have to click on this PNG, and the image will be downloaded and will be saved into our device. So in this way you can create AI images. I hope you guys understand this video. So see you in the next video.